Well, because there are more... Hello, my name's Joey and I'm a BCU student. I asked for your questions on Instagram about anything that you wanted to know about Birmingham City University, and I have them here in my phone to answer them today. So yeah, let's get right into it. Did you live in student halls? Yes, I did. I stayed in Jennings Court during my first year. When I first moved here, university locks was not a thing, so I couldn't get the chance to kind of test drive that new accommodation, but I wish that it was, because it's such an amazing place that you can live. There's so many cool study areas, there's so many cool things about that accommodation. The security is really tight, so you're safe, and it's right next to university and in a really nice location next to the canal. But Jennings Court was really good. I had all my flatmates were on my course, so that was kind of nice that we all kind of went to uni together and stuff. Are you planning on doing a placement year, or have you completed one? If so, how did you find it? I did a placement year during my third year, and I can honestly tell you now, it was one of the most valuable things that I've ever done in my life. Working within a professional environment, especially within a large company like I did, it completely sets you for your final year. It also gets you career ready as well, so when I'm getting ready to graduate, I'm kind of one up over everyone else who's getting degrees. So I've had that 1 year working within like a marketing team, so it was extremely beneficial. I learned so much and I definitely don't regret it. I recommend everyone does a placement year if possible, because yeah, it's just amazing. I had such a great time, worked with some amazing people. What are the prices of food and drink like at BCU? So there's so many different types of food and drink that you can get. So you can go to the SU itself, which is Eagle and Ball. They do pizza for like £7. Will get you an entire pizza. How insane is that? And you can also get other things like macaroni cheese, garlic bread, you name it. Eagle and Ball has it. We've also got coffee shops and canteens on campus, so you're looking at maybe £4 or £5 for an entire meal. But I definitely recommend Eagle and Ball, because you're funding the Students' Union, and also students are working for the SU, so they're making your food as well. Why did I choose to study at BCU? I chose to study at BCU because the facilities are amazing. When I was walking around looking at the digital technology facilities, it blew me away at how high grade that these facilities are. I was just walking around being like, wow, whoa, amazing. And yeah, since I first came to an open day, I have not regretted it one bit. I've had such a great time here at BCU, and I hope you come and have a great time too. What are the study resources like? So we have a library that has so many books that you can take out, and I was working on a project the other day and I was worried that I was taking too many books out, but I was able to take at least 15 out at one time, which was insane. So yeah, as long as you hand them back on time, don't get fined, Bob's your uncle. What are the best and worst things about the uni, in my opinion? Well, best things, I think the whole social part of the university, kind of everyone feels like a family. You can just walk through university and recognise so many people, and they're always willing to have a chat and stuff. Worst thing? The fact that I have to leave in like a few months because I finished my degree, which is really sad. Someone asked, why do I like it here so much? Well, you tell me. It could be because we have state-of-the-art facilities. Could be because we're in the city centre. Could be because we've got an amazing library with loads of learning resources. Could be because we've got one of the nicest academic staff groups in the round. Could be any of these reasons. I don't know. You tell me. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Hopefully I've answered some of your questions, and if you've got any further questions, it's never too late to ask them. So drop us a line on Instagram, message us on Facebook, or even email us. We're open for a conversation. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you later.